Hello, so let's understand how this circuit works here. So what you see is an amplifier with a gain A, and it's a differential amplifier because it has two terminals which amplifies the difference between the two signals applied to the negative input terminal and the positive input terminal. It is also called as a operational amplifier. Then the positive terminal of this amplifier is grounded and the negative is connected at this node. There is an output called as Vs, and from the output and this node right here we have a resistor connected across called as RL. Now from this node to the ground we have this PN junction diode, and this is a special diode which works when the light falls on it. That's why we call it as a photodiode. This is like a photodiode, let's call it photodiode. So how this circuit will work, so these two arrows indicates the light falling on the PN junction semiconductor diode, which conducts a reverse bias current in a reverse bias condition. So it means when the light falls, that helps the PN junction diode conducts the current in the reverse bias, and that current flows through like this in this direction, and that current completes the path from output to through the load and through the diode, and the polarity across the voltage of polarity of the voltage across the RL is given by the positive at this side and the negative at this side. So you have a voltage drop across the load resistance RL, which is the Vs, by applying the voltage difference, Ohm's law. So the node voltage here is Vs, and due to virtual ground concept, this positive, the voltage at the positive terminal, which is ground, appears at this node. So the apply to calculate the voltage drop across RL, we can say that we'll apply the Ohm's law. This is the Vs minus 0 volt here at this node, so divided by RL, which is equal to this current I, and this is the current I that we just showed. So this is the I, therefore is equal to Vs over RL, and or you can say the output voltage is I times RL. So this, we see that the input current, which is the current flowing through the diode due to the light falling on the diode, gets converted into an output voltage, and the gain of the circuit is the resistance, which is Vs over I. So this is how the gain of the circuit can be set through the resistor value R. The amplifier has a gain indicated by A, is the open loop gain, but we use the negative feedback through the resistor RL. We are connecting output back to this node at the inverting terminal. So this is how the circuit is called as current to voltage converter, I to V circuit. So hope you like this circuit and this video explanation, and if you like, so do share with others, and like and subscribe to the channel. Wish you happy learning.